Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and I thought I would share with you a different kind of recipe today. I thought I'd make you a cocktail, and this one is called the poison apple. If you look out there, there's a lot of different versions of the poison apple, and this is my take on it, so I wanted to share with you how to make this. So you take your glass and you want to put some salt around the top of it, and how you do that is just take your lime that you've got, put a little bit of it on the outside of it, and then dip it down in your salt, and you've got your glass ready to go. So that's the first step that you want to do. Then we want to take some ice and we want to put it into our shaker. Once we get the ice into our shaker. So I've got silver tequila, and we want 2 ounces of silver tequila. Then we need to get some lime juice. We need 1 ounce of lime juice, and we're going to go ahead and squeeze that out. All right, we've got our 1 ounce of our lime juice. We'll add that into your shaker. Then our next ingredient we've got apple cider. This is Honeycrisp apple cider. I need 2 ounces of this. Next, we need 1 ounce of triple sec. And the last ingredient we need a half an ounce of grenadine. There we go. Let's put the top on it and give it a little bit of a shake. Now we'll get our glass, we'll put a little bit of ice in it. We'll take our strainer. There you have it, a poison apple. I hope you like this content, and if you do, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever had a poison apple, or if you're going to try this recipe. I know you're going to love this one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give this poison apple a try. It's a really good one. Don't let it sneak up on you. Bye-bye now.